This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. There we go. Good morning and welcome Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. You're gonna have to give me a minute. I was a little busy this morning and I did not update scripts or change lines. All right, so we'll have to go it by ear. Okay. I'm swirling already. I dropped frames? Yeah, I did. About that. Well, hit your live buttons if you're here already, because suddenly, for some reason, I already had an issue. There we go. So let's try it now. Hopefully we won't drop any more frames. Anyway, ES, our low day. 56.30, our high. 56.50. I can do that math. That's 20 points in range. See the big drop here in the last hour. Yeah, do something here. That's not what I wanted to do at all. That's kind of, but just on the wrong chart. Give me a second. There we go. That looks better. Anyway, NQ 19,560. Looks like the high was 691. About 130 points in range. Kappa has been dropping all night. Big range. Wow, huge range. 200 ticks. Ultra bond looks like it's been rising. We'll be trading some bonds tomorrow with CFT. About half a point in range though, not a lot. Gold. Let me update the script. We'll flip the script now. Big move down on gold too. Metals dying overnight, looks like. About 30 points in range. Crude oil also dying overnight. Energy's dying. Okay, there we go. Looks like wow, over 2 points in range on crude. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin dropped huge back under 60K, all the way down to the 58s. Trying to reclaim 60K now. So that's always sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. And we're ready to rock and rumble. Hope we have a better day than we did yesterday, when all our troubles seem so far away. So it's trying to rise up here. Let me find my TradeDay. There it is. So what wants to do? I like this kind of move down. Yeah, it's coming down, pops up, tries down more, fails. We'll see. Not going to give me a blue candle though. So absolutely no Apex sale right now. I mean, I assume it's 50% off. I haven't tested it, but yeah. Ooh, I gotta go change some Nightbots. Just remember Nightbot. I always forget the Nightbot. So watch our price action here while I change the Nightbots. I'm just gonna turn the Apex one off. For now. We'll change Bulenox to 75. I expect Bulenox 90% to come back, but we'll see. Okay, there we go. All right. So slow creep right now. Up to the 20. Where's everybody at this morning? Oh, there's IMAD. Good morning. And IMAD, that's a great question. There is, I believe. There is, I believe. Let me look. No, there's not. Nothing besides crude oil inventories at 10:30. That's it. After the bell, Nvidia, whatever it is, earnings. That always sends the market absolutely wild. But nothing this morning. We are newsless. We cannot start spreading the news. Exciting news, everybody. This coming Thursday, August 29th, your favorite Canadian, the Canadian Futures Trader, will join me live for the entire 3-hour live stream, 8 to 11 Eastern Time. Come talk bonds with CFT. Come talk charts with CFT. He promises not to bash micros. Join me and CFT live for 3 hours Thursday morning. Pulls back again. Pulls back. Should have grabbed that purple apparently, but that's okay. Trading your funded, MyFundedFutures account, I'm at today. Good. A win? Oh, okay. We'll watch that. What's your target? Okay. I fight myself between putting a target and not putting a target. Every time I don't put a target, it ends up spiking down so fast that if I had a target on there, it would have hit. But it spikes so fast that I'm not able to quickly hit it enough, and it ends up coming back to almost where it was. But then, if I do put a target, then it spikes down, hits the target, and then continues going. So it's like, hey, Rad, how you doing? All right, Rad. Hey, Jazz, how you doing? If I can answer it for you, I will, Rad. Doing good, Jazz. Thank you. I believe that would be the case because your drawdown would be 0 because the drawdown does trail. It's not static. So you would have no drawdown left. I mean, wouldn't it be? I mean, that's what makes sense in my head. That you know, you've made 1,500. Your drawdown moves up 1,500 end of day. So yeah, that I would think the account would close, and they'll probably call you a couple of names. Sorry, I'm mad. Big rise up here. So all eyes on Apex to see whether or not they come out with a sale. First time in I think like 2 years that they didn't have a sale above what I assume is 50%. And I haven't even tried to see if the 50%'s working. Hey, John. Good morning. How was the game? You'll get the next one, I'm at. Don't let this spoil your mood or your mentality. Hey, Speed Racer. I see you were able to get on the Discord. Are you doing all right there? Sorry, I didn't reply to you right away last night. I was in a meeting or yesterday afternoon. Oh yeah, that's right. It was raining up that way. I forgot. I didn't even think about that. I guess there's worse places to sit and rain, than a ballpark. So, For Discord? So were you not able? I mean, I saw you join. Were you not able to like see my message to you? Okay, thanks, Rat. That's what I was hoping. That's what I put everywhere, where everything I have to update. Hey, Jazz, I actually started on Twitch 3 years ago. Uh, just wasn't picking up any real momentum there. Then I did try. I actually was multi-streaming to both YouTube and Twitch. And I ended up killing Twitch because I had like 5 viewers there, and I was getting uh, way more viewers on YouTube. I don't know if it'll be any different now if I decided to like try again with Twitch. I just feel like Twitch is more for overall for gamers versus YouTube being for a lot of stuff. Yeah, I think I was on Twitch for like 6 months total. I was Twitch exclusively for like the first 2 months, I think. Still rising up here up to 632. Yeah, those are terrible for everybody. Hanging out here, waiting for our first entry. Let me check with my sources. I don't know why they got to do everything by video. Yeah, I knew what you meant, Red. I didn't think they were. That's why they forgot to put the new sale up. They were putting stamps on envelopes. I'm not trusting that blue candle there. See, it's already below it, so we'll see what happens. Could be a slower, choppier morning with no news. I'm not important enough to get said Apex letter. They only send those to the biggest affiliates. So I'm trying to find out if I can, what the details might be. And a nice little pop. He's not showing us online yet, so I can't bug him about it. I did bug somebody else. We'll see if they respond to me. Charlie Baker says he has not gotten an email. And he's like their biggest affiliate, or he's either the biggest or their second. No one's sure if it's him or CFT who's number 1 and number 2. We're slowly rising here. You might prolong wealth is what he tweets as. Yeah, he's huge, absolutely huge. Good guy too. He's helped me a bunch. He's given me pointers and such. Today, he doesn't do much on YouTube. He does most of his promotion through Facebook groups. He does have a Discord, and he does trade. Brad, could you send me that if by chance? Send me the link on Discord. It won't let you put it here in YouTube. While we're sitting here just kind of watching this grind up, I didn't actually make a ad for this. I should have, honestly, but where's my thing? Where's my thing? So our 3rd-year anniversary is coming up on. It's actually September 2nd, but that's Labor Day, so we'll be celebrating on September 3rd on our morning live stream. I'll actually be going on camera about 10:30 a.m. But the big thing is we're doing major account giveaways. We'll be giving away a MyFundedFutures, a Bulenox, Phidias. Oops, I spelled Phidias wrong. I gotta update that graphic. FFN, Take Profit Trader, and Legends. We need to hear back from 1 or 2 others that may or may not do it. Anyway, so big giveaways. We'll also be doing a couple giveaways on the Discord. I gotta set that up yet. But in a minute, I'll be posting the link for you to enter for these giveaways as soon as I find it again. Thanks, Rad. Check in 1 minute. Still rising out. I should have trusted those blue candles, by the way. Remind me of that later. Copy message join. Got a win, Imad? Excellent. Told you you'd get it back. Still rising. I mean, I'm not sure because obviously I've never seen any of these guys' numbers to know for sure who's number one. But let me put it this way: well, they're huge. Like, probably doing a bunch more than I am, a lot more than I am. Trades by Matt. I'm mad. Yeah, I don't mind trades by Matt. No, I'm not a big fan of Patrick Whelan. Oh yeah, TBM. It does have. Although that said, I do believe at one point he bought some followers because he went up exponentially out of nowhere once. But he definitely does have a following. His chat room's too, goes too fast to even chat in. I've always said I don't ever want MightyOxTrading to get that big. I like being able to chat with the people that are here. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing like 100 people at a time here because I think that would still be able to be kept up with. But like when it's more than that, it's just hard. I like getting to know my viewers. Nice, John. Bulenox 90% has been extended. I figured that would happen. Yeah, but I have a feeling this might be the last time, Jazz, because Flexytrade said that they're stopping their 90% at the end of the month. So that's who Bulenox has been price matching. With Flexi, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, they actually sent the notice to affiliates. So, yeah, I have a feeling they'll do it again. But it might go away for a little bit. They'll probably test to see what kind of response they get at less than 90 and then make the decision whether or not they should continue. Well, Bulenox just price matches everyone. So, if Apex does 80%, Bulenox will do 83, etc. Bulenox never has their own sales. They just match everybody else's. Hey, Chris, how you doing? No trades for me yet. Missed the move up. That was my own stupidity, but ZB. Which one is ZB? This one right here. No, I got. Do I not have a ZB? I do have a ZB. Why do I have two UBs and no ZB? ZB. Answers. Looks like it's moving down. Good call, IMAD. Yeah. Struggling to get through 647. Purple. This. I think they're still a couple weeks behind on FTT. They're definitely behind on affiliate payouts, so we'll say that. Short. Sorry, I'm at the trade against you. It's right. I didn't even notice the 100 EMA sitting there. That's kind of worrisome. Red. Target hit 5.25 points. Thank you, Chris. Yeah, I'm voting for the reversal now for IMAD. Be nice if we both can get it. Yeah, exactly. Just hanging here at 35, 36. Come on, bounce there for IMAD. Bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Oh, it's not looking good, IMAD, my friend. Maybe it didn't like being swore at. I apologize, and maybe it'll go back up for you. I'm kidding. Minder CFT joins us tomorrow. Three hours of bonds and banter. So am I. If I would have known he was going to say yes, I would have asked him years ago. Hey, David, how's it going? She said she's going to do it. I don't know when yet, but she said she'll do it. She's also agreed to be on John Burrell's podcast, just swinging it at some point as well. Oh, absolutely. I 100% agree, Red. There's a pop. You still in, Imad? You think so? Stop watching it. All right. Well, it's trying to rise back up here. Well, since I'm in nothing, I'll watch it for you. All right. All right. Right now it's sitting at 638. We are about 5 minutes till the top of the hour. 35 minutes till the bell. One trade so far. It's a winner. It's a winner. Trading the MyFundedFutures evaluations. I have a top step that's within like less than $400 away from passing. I'm gonna try and get that banged out today. Well, there we go. It's it's back above your entry now, or it was a second ago. There we go, rising up. It's coming up on the 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart, so it might struggle here. Or it might burst right through. Back up to 645. 5-minute chart though is screaming for a pullback based on the RSI. See if we can get through that 100 EMA. So far it's struggling. Yeah, it kind of topped out where it topped out for you earlier, I'm at 647, 645. See if it bursts through. Crude oil's been rising up here before it's open. Thanks to Apex, I had to get up early this morning. I didn't, the daily video I do about the discounts, I always do that the night before, as well as the email. I set it up the night before. But I just couldn't believe that Apex was not going to do any sale. So I set my alarm for half an hour early to get up and do the video and the email. I could just did it last night. It pulls back to your entry, I meant. Bounces on the 9. Let's see if it goes. Ooh, nice little blue candle pop. Now I'm interested. Ooh, there we go. There's a little burst. It's half wick, half body. Struggling in that 645 area. Oop, all wick, no body. I ain't got nobody. Rejects down. Back down to 638. Yeah, I use Bulenox on Ninja and Apex if I ever actually trade Apex. Coming back down. Definitely in a range here over the last half hour or a little bit more. Only about a 15-point raise. There's a nice blue candle. Big old blue candle, 6 points. I don't know. Lately, it hasn't been saving my workspace. I've had to like bring up a new chart each time. I don't know. Maybe I messed something up. But yeah, I noticed. But I'm also using a very old, an older version of NT, like back from before they bought out TradeDay. Taking the long here with IMAD off this blue candle, hoping for this break of resistance. But I'm only using a 5-point stop. Technically 5 3/4. Got it to 648 on that blue candle. I'm in at 646. So when you say redo your charts, do you mean like you actually got to like bring up the chart, or what exactly did you mean there, John? Is that basically what I was saying? Is that basically what you were saying, or do you mean you got to put like all your indicators and stuff back on? Come on. This is definitely a fight here. They're giving back. Oh, whoosh. Whoosh. Sorry, on that just took us both out. That was a flush. Not seeing any news. So it just could not break that resistance and decided to flush down from it. If we look at our 5-minute chart, that 100 EMA on the 5, this bluish line here, you see how often it boop, 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 and just finally flushed down, could never cleanly break it. And I said on the 5, it looked like it was ripe for a pullback. When I said that is because my RSI line at one point was above 30, but it was 26.41. So it's often pullback area. Didn't expect that big of a pullback area. That big of a pullback, but and now it's bouncing back up. So it's back up to your almost back up to your entry there, I bet. And maybe it just needed that. Maybe it just needed to clear out down below, and now it's gonna fire back up. Oh yeah, look at that wick on that one. Morning, Ace. How you feeling? Good. Glad to hear that, Ace. Yeah, that's one of the dangers of playing with those resistance levels is if they, eventually sometimes if they can't break them, they just give up, and then you have that whoosh the opposite direction. Yeah, sometimes it whooshes down and then collects. People start jumping in because it whooshed down, and there's your 1 point, Ace. Nope. Short. Target hit. Boom. 25 down to, not even sure. 25 down to 17, an 8-point win there. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Chris. Oh, excellent, Imad. Yeah, I'm happy with myself there because I finally, if I just follow the in momentum or in trend, whatever you want to call it, trades, I would do much better. And I keep trying to fight instead doing the reversal crap. And I just took the purple there. So whatever happens, happens. And it happened. Hey, JVZ3. How you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. Yeah, I stream Monday through Friday. And occasionally uh occasionally I stream one evening a week. I've never tried to find someone to do it for Quant Hour. I mean, I finally have it where I could give it to you on TradingView, but JV, I'm still not real consistent. I do have 5 funded accounts now, but I haven't taken a payout, so we're still working on that. I mean, I'm at, if you can find somebody to put it on I mean, we could post on the Discord or whatever if you find someone that wants to try and make it for Quant Tower. Uh, JV, I feel like it's coming. I think in the next month or two, I'm going to be taking my first payout for sure. But it's definitely a battle, and it's all mental for me. My strategy works. I just don't work it as well as it should. There's Market Trend, so he knows a guy that codes QT. How expensive is he, Market Trends? You said you know a guy that codes Quant Hour. I'm assuming he doesn't do it for free. Okay, so I mean that's my coding knowledge stopped at HTML back before they brought in CSS. Still dropping. Now I like the purple candles, and obviously these are working. I like them when they're touching the 9, which is the one I took. But you can see how I'm at. Are you still in this one? Popping. So it got down to 6. Oh, I missed it. 595. Back above 600. Hey, Mr. Burrell, how are you? Exciting news, everybody. This coming Thursday, August 29th, your favorite Canadian, the Canadian Futures Trader, will join me live for the entire 3-hour live stream, 8 to 11 Eastern Time. Come talk bonds with CFT. Come talk charts with CFT. He promises not to bash micros. Join me and CFT live for 3 hours Thursday morning. JC, how you been, my friend? By the way, long off the blue candle. Mark Ace is a full-time trader with his own money. Yes, I did. I met. He doesn't spend a lot of time on Discord. I met. So, but we'll try and get him when he comes in. Target hit on my on that long 5.25. Yeah, I'm mostly a scalper. I don't go for long holds. My average, yeah, Burrow Investments is not a scalper. He goes for dozens of points. He loves his trend. Yes, I am. JC, you gonna be here Tuesday by chance? It's the third third year anniversary of MightyOxTrading. We're gonna have a little celebration. You've been a big part of MightyOxTrading. High, wait, high time frame. Okay. What time frame do you use, JV? And CFT is going to be on tomorrow if you want to join us for that. It's going to be on the mic. Quick reminder that we are doing a massive giveaway. 7 accounts from 6 different prop firms for the celebration of 3 years of MightyOxTrading. You can enter at that link there. Yeah, it's scalping use. So are you swing trading, JV, or how long do you stay in trades? Yep, I see that, EG. I was not yet awake at that time when it hit resistance 0. I was still slumbering in bed. Yeah, Ace, maybe you need to, you've got a new lease on life. Maybe you need to take a couple more risks. I don't know him, but if it works for you, then that's a good thing. 5 minutes till the bell. Today's market open is brought to you by MyFundedFutures, my new #1 futures prop firm with evaluations that are very trader friendly, prices that are very inexpensive with no funded setup fees, makes this the best accounts in the future space. Just $76 all in with a 50K, $209 for 150K. Remember, no setup fees. End the day drawdown, you have a path to live and a payout. After just 5 winning days, MyFundedFutures is right for just about any trader, except for super scalpers. Join MyFundedFutures today, my #1 prop firm. Ace, all it takes is Discord and a mic and do a voice call. It's really not computer intensive. You figured it out a couple of times now. I mean, I could do Zoom too, but Discord's easier. JV, is that question for Ace or for me or for whom? Oh, for me? About 3 years ago. Started with penny stocks. Frustrated with the PDT rule. Found the futures funding firms. I assume since you're swing trading, JV, you're using your own account, not a prop. Wait, you're the one that asked me about swing trading, aren't you? All this runs together. Let's prepare for the bell. Shows a broker, not the mafia, Ace. I saw. I hit the little graphic meme. A little over 30 seconds until the ring, ring. Did they make you an offer that you couldn't refuse? Oh. Well, I wish I had found trading when I was 18. Although back then it was a lot harder because that was a long time ago. Big whoosh up. Yeah, I mean that's awesome, JV, and yeah, definitely that's wonderful. So how long till you turn 18, JV? And why aren't you in school? Sorry. Right. Just remember, swing trading is a lot more expensive if you're trading your own account. With futures, anyway. You got to pay maintenance margin instead of just day trading margin. Still rising up. 651. I have an overnight 691. I will say JV, if you're looking at the prop firms, the funding firms, I'm almost 99% sure that by February, there will be a viable swing trading option available. I can almost guarantee it without saying much more. Ace. Let's not get him arrested before he's an adult. He is kidding. I think he meant just stealing money out of the the till. RJ, good morning. RJ, whenever you have time, Mad would love to DM with you on Discord at your leisure. He has some Ranko questions. Big purple candle. Struggling through the 20 and the 100 there, though. We got 2 seconds on it to decide. I'm going to short. I think. Yeah, I'm short. Didn't show up real quick. But, wow. Shot down and then back up to my entry. I hate that. Didn't give me the 10. Taking it off the table there. And, oh, wow. So I got 10 ticks. I could have stayed in and got what I was looking for, but that's okay. That's okay. That I doubt, JV, but when you're just starting out, you don't want 20 accounts to begin with. You just want to focus on getting one, and then most well, let me put it this way, they will allow you to scale up if you're showing consistent profitability. Don't get your head in the clouds about 20 accounts, etc. Start slow, and that'll do best than trying to figure out if you can manage 20 accounts. Oh, great. Now he's going to want to be adopted, Ace. And we'll screenshot that and send that to, yeah. My God, my brain just froze up. K-pop. So she knows that that's an option. Told you he's going to want to be adopted. So we're 4 out of 5 on the trading day so far. Are you ICT as well, JV, or back down to 95, which was where we pivoted earlier. Let's see if it breaks through. So far it has. Whooshy whoosh. Wow, big fall. Down to 87. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's just what a lot of people like ICT, a lot of people hate ICT. I've never tried to learn it. Well, I mean, I think some of his methods work, but I think some of his methods are just he took other things that I don't think he created anything. He just found a new way to express it, to explain it. And sometimes, that's that's what it takes for someone to learn something. So, popping back up here. So we got that at 584, nice pop back up above 600. That's why I'm not really into, gurus. If I ever give off guru vibes, somebody smack me. Yep. So don't ever, blindly follow a so-called guru. I mean, if they teach something that you can learn, take that, but don't ever like take it to the bank, as they say. Take it to the limit. JJR, are you here? Every time I break into song, it makes me think of him. Yeah, I mean, ICT's, it is what it is. I never, I swear I killed these alerts on feeder cattle. Uh, is that a compliment or an insult? See, whenever I see ICT, my thought thinks of insane clown trader. Oh, I should have taken that purple candle. Whooshing. Yep. See, that's the purple I should have taken. I didn't. Finder folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you would gore that like button. And we are whooshing down. New low a day, just established, 559 quarter. Trying to dig this account out a little bit. I did hit my uh, daily drawdown limit yesterday on it. Trying to turn it around. And still no word out of Apex Trader Funding. By the way, Burrell, how did you manage to respond to a tweet from like 6 weeks ago yesterday? That tweet you replied to was from like July 9th. Literally hundreds of tweets ago, because I put out like anywhere between 10 and 15 tweets a day. The big boy. So the market's just falling now. After the bell today, Financial Juice has it at 4:20 Eastern. Yeah, it'd be almost like another CPI or FOMC. Blue candle popping here. Have we found a bottom? Hey, Crypticon. Glad to hear you got your goal. Blue candle went away. Bye bye. Well, it's there. Not the best blue candle in the world. Hey, Hassan, how are you? Please tell me you got some sleep. Glad I didn't fall for the blue candle. Blue candle. I feel like I just said that. Sniffing the 9 EMA. It's a 9 sniffer. Nope, rejects off the 9. Dow's heading up. RJ, you taking advantage of that Dow move? JV, yes and no. I after the stream ends, I continue to trade, but I also do other things. Update stuff with the community on Discord, update my sheets and all that stuff. So it's more on and off, hit and miss. I don't just stare at the chart all day long. Yeah, 30 ticks is still good, unless you're a dog. Long. Oh, spike down. Come on, break that 9 for me. Yep, this is not going to work out. Maybe. Maybe not. Nope. This trade's starting to smell bad. Oh, now it's starting to smell good. There we go. Come on, break the 9. Ah, that dang 9 EMA. Hey, Steam. Boom. Target hit. Wow. I thought for sure I was going to get stopped out on that trade. Thank you, JV. Uh, no, I was responding to two people on Discord. I hate typing. You know, if I had something where I could like talk out my thoughts of the trade, that'd be wonderful. Trying to take the time to actually type out after each trade, especially since I can take a bunch of trades since I am a scalper. Push down. Now that said, all these live streams stay up, so I can go back at least when I'm with my live streaming. I can go back and look at every trade that I take on the streams. And you can hear me say, usually I'm why I'm taking it. Well, I'm taking the blue candle here, etc. So in that way, I mean, I kind of journal. Bouncing up. Purple candle would have been really good right there, obviously. I mean, hmm. Well, speaking of, you can ask him about it tomorrow, since he'll be here for all 3 hours of our live stream. The great Canadian futures trader. Uh, Speaking of the great CFT, Pharrell, you need to take a day off one day, and you should come on the stream with me. I'm telling him to give up money from his job to come on a live stream with me. CFT kills the chat. Hope you don't get that kind of response tomorrow, CFT. It's kind of hanging on the 9. Ooh, whooshing down again. I believe our low a day was 524. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. I think he meant the rumor about you being on here tomorrow. Yeah. Should probably go push that through Twitter again. That been a good purple candle again. You see how my system works. I just don't always trade it. I don't always trust it. That's been my issue. Boom, boom. Could have been 10, 20 more points. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nice bounce up. He promised he won't bag on micros traders tomorrow. But if you give him crap about charts, all bets might be off. Ace is sniffing babies again. Lots of special events. That is an excellent breakfast. A lot of special events coming up. MightyOxTrading. Tomorrow CFT. Tuesday, third anniversary celebration. The 10th, RJ and I doing an all-day stream. The 20th, RJ and I are doing an overnight stream. And at some point in time, we'll get Robin, aka For Money, on here. Burl just said he will come on one day. Gotta continue to look to, get some guests on here. Yeah, that makes sense. Kids are kind of like micro humans, so that makes sense. Hanging on the 9 here. It's he's trying to pop. And back down. So honestly, this was disgusting trading on my part, or lack of trading, because this was a signal, this was a signal, and this was a signal, and I didn't take any of them. I will say I missed one doing something else, but the other two were just stupid. Actually, she's willing. It was CFT that was on vacation when she was willing. So I think if you ask her again, I think and now that CFT's available, and I'm pretty much, my evenings are available for the most part. Yep, don't make me ban anybody. Sure, I don't usually ban anybody. Usually Ace is the one that's like jumping in to ban people. Ban. Nah, blue candle, I kind of like it. If it sticks, doesn't stick. All is right in the world again. 80% off is back on Apex. Moves happen at 1019 market trend. No, they don't. They wouldn't listen to me anyway. I'm not big enough. We're kind of sideways here. Icky, icky. Wow. We're about 19,554 here, rising up. That's one of the most risque things ever said on MightyOxTrading. 5-minute chart showing me it wants to go long. Would the 5-minute chart lie to me? Struggling to get above the 9 on the 5-minute chart, which is at 563. It's bopped it twice. Still rising. Dow's pulls back. Crude's falling back. Gold looks like it's had a good day. Wow, gold really dipped before recovering. What did the Ultra Bond do today? We will be having an Ultra Bond chart up tomorrow in honor of CFT being with us. Today would have been nothing great. Pulls back. I believe they use barrels for that, Ace. Ooh, whoosh down. Kind of sitting here, 560. Rising up. I see NQ arising. I would say Montreal's is not as good since they lost the Expos. There we go. It's trying to get back up to 600. Yeah, Schmidt's been one of Rose's biggest advocates. Up to the 100 EMA, can it break through? So far, the answer is yes. Again, the point I have always made, if they had found out about the gambling after he was inducted, they would not have removed him. Thanks. I've been told to stop singing on here and stop my little parody songs, that it was annoying and off-putting. So I haven't done it lately. Crude oil inventories, if anyone's trading crude, coming up in less than 2 minutes. Wow, RJ, you're on a roll. Someone said that because my viewership was down. It's back up now some, but my viewership was down, and someone said that could be part of the reason why. Ace, I think you totally missed RJ's joke there. Bouncing on the 9. If it breaks back above 100, I'm kind of interested, but like not totally. Should we name that next overnight stream Mighty Ox Trading After Dark, RJ? I always said that we had used to on the mic. It would be quite the entertaining thing. When we have the Mighty Ox Trading meetup, used to have to do a comedy routine for us. VWAP, VWAP. Just sitting on that 100 EMA, which is the 5 on the 20 on the 5. Can it break it? So far, the answer is no. Yeah, see, I can't use VWAP because I'm constantly going to go VWAP, 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 VWAP. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson. Oh, crude spiked down on its inventories. Now it's trying to pop back up. And Q cannot get through this EMA. Still can't get through. And whoosh is down. Big whoosh. Sits there. Got back down to 545. So far today, 5 wins, 1 loss, up 471. Hopefully I can keep that mojo going. Here comes NQ back down. Blue candle below. How's everyone else looking? We know Ace is up. We know RJ's up. Nice market trend. Whoosh! Wow! Boom! Quick 10 points. And I'm talking quick. How come I never get slippage on bursts down like that, but I always get slippage of when it goes against me? That last trade lasted 7 seconds. I'll take $200 in 7 seconds. Still falling. Is that a new low day? I believe it might be. 513 is our, well, maybe not. 513 is our low. So back here. Oh, wow. No oomph. So, I think oomph has an H at the end. We can call it striking it rich. Do you want to come fix my plumbing, Crypticon? My kitchen sink does not have hot water. Now, my wonderful landlord says that he thinks the pipe might have sediment in it and has to be replaced. I don't know. The water comes out at a trickle. It's the same thing with the bathroom sink, but only the hot water. The tub's fine. Still falling here, down to 520. If you let it run long enough, the water does get hot, but like it's a trickle, literally a trickle. Like it would take 20 minutes to fill up a dishpan. Yeah. Ooh, whoosh! New low a day. Broke 500. There's 500. $481. New low. Trying to get back above 500. Remember to join us tomorrow for CFT. Yeah, they might frown upon that, Crypt. I have to boil water on the top of the stove to wash dishes. Still coming down. About 10 minutes left to go in the stream. I'm John. I'm 6 wins out of 7 trades, up 667. Whoosh. I don't know. I'm assuming since he seems to use that for Discord, but it does not work on when he's on Twitter with Burl's podcast. Look at that whoosh down all the way down to 454. So it's been a definite. There's that first support from that trigger point. We'll see how it does with the bounce off. John DeFore, you should take a day off one day and come on the mic with me. Love the way I'm telling everyone to like lose money by taking time off work to come on the stream with me. Market might have been ready to pop up there, but so far, nope. Maybe. LOL crypt. Not sure why I said LOL out. I spelled it out instead of just said haha. Yeah, maybe an evening stream might be better, John. There it goes. So I took a trade there on my MyFundedFutures network account. I went long. It almost stopped me out. So I went long on this candle right here. And it almost, the stop was the very below, where it's right at the low of this wick. Almost came down and stopped me out and then went up for me. I got out. I could have got it more out of it. Could have got another 10 points out of it. But I got out when it hit the 9 for a $240 win. So it's been a really good day. After stream, I will try to milk out the last, let's see, I need $356 to pass another top step. Blue candle's interesting. Sitting right on that 9. About 3 minutes to go in the stream. So overall today now, between the two accounts, TradeDay just froze up on me, so I can't see my stats. That's odd. So I think I'm 7 for 8 total for 917. Thank you, Market Trends. And right back down. So the market's definitely depressed today. Look at that. This is the last 2 hourly candles. IQ 84 and 89. Dow not quite as depressed. No, Crypticon, you should walk away. All right, folks. It's been a great day here at MightyOxTrading. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. I hope to see everybody here tomorrow when we have Canadian futures trader here on the mic with us for the full 3 hours, 8 to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. CFT, bonds and banter. We'll have a bond chart up. I'll mostly still trade NQ, but we'll watch some UB as well. Great rest of your day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.